Hello and welcome everyone. And at the end of day two, we are starting this wrap-up video with the blessings of Ganpati Bappa right here, made with castings. And as you can see, this is very beautiful. And same like that, our day was also very busy and very productive and beautiful. Today I got to learn so much about so many things and got a huge amount of knowledge. In fact, we also attended the press conference of Zeka, where we got to know about the different, few collaborations which they have done, and also the Footfall today was phenomenally good. It was even more than 300% higher than what it was yesterday. So it was very engaging, talking to different people here at TAGMA Die Mould 2024. And here with me is my colleague. She will tell about her day.
Well, for me, the second day was completely different from the first day. For me, today I had my interview, and wherein I had my interview with the director of the Om Auto Mold, wherein I got to know about what are the problems the die mold industry is facing. The major issue that is the delivery one. Om Automobile is giving like an immense amount of solution to that, like how they can beat the problem of delivery. So stay tuned for that video. Another thing is that the machine maker is coming up with the great content. Stay tuned for that. We are releasing our die and mold stories, so just stay tuned.
We also have a breakthrough for the Himtex 2024 from August 16 to August 19th at Hyderabad. We'll tell you about that more in a video which is going to be out soon, so you guys can attend that event and get to know more about the metal casting and metal forging industry, as well as about the sustainable solutions which different companies are to offer. Stay tuned for that video which is going to be out soon. Now let's ask few exhibitors that how it was their day. Now we are here at the stall of Fanuc, and with me is Mr. Vijay. So sir, please tell us about how was the day?
Yeah, actually, this was day two for us, and the crowd was pretty exciting. We had a good footfall. I think end of the day, what we look at is how was the quality of the crowd which is coming into the stall, and we had a fairly good quality of customers who walked in. We are primarily showcasing new features in our product lines, mainly the wire-cut EDM, the drill center, and the RoboShot, along with our collaborative robot. And we saw a lot of enthusiasm in customers, specifically for the collaborative robot, which is something which is very different. And we also had good crowd which was very interested to know what we are showing in our machining centers and the wire-cut EDM and the RoboShot. So on the whole, I would say day two was very convincing and very nice for us.
Thank you, sir. I really wish you the best for day 3 too.
Yeah.
And we hope the same amount of crowd, lands and even more at your stall here at TAGMA Die Mould.
We are at the stall of Zeka, and with me there is an amazing person joining me today, Mr. Mangesh. So hi, Mr. Mangesh. So came to know about the fact that there's some kind of collaboration has happened today, and on the second day of the TAGMA. So I would like to know more about it.
Today, actually, at TAGMA, we announced a joint venture cooperation with the Sumitomo Hard Metal for the regrinding services. Zeka will offer the regrinding services of the Sumitomo tools, and I feel that it will be the good cooperation for both the companies to serve the Indian market. Thank you.
So it is a great news to know about your collaboration. We are looking move forward for this collaboration. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So at the stall of Zeka, we have Mr. Sachin, who is a visitor. So, hi. So hello, Mr. Sachin. It is great to see you here. So how was your experience into the Die and Mold exhibition? Would really like to know about your experience.
Yeah, first of all, thanks for having me here, and it's very nice to visit the stall of Zeka. So I mean, before coming to the exhibition, I was more expecting that only machine tool builders will be here. But when I actually landed here, then I got to meet the actual mold manufacturers, the toolings which are being used in making those molds, and various other accessories also, which really gave me a very diversified idea of the industry. And I visited this exhibition last about, I think, maybe 7-8 years ago. And at that time, the scale was really lower than what I see, now, this year. So I'm really happy to be a part of the show.
So it is great to know about that. It was really very satisfying, and so you could see the change that has been happening over a decade. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing your experience. Yeah,
My pleasure.
thank you.
Here with me is Mr. Jayesh Kumar, sir, from Godrej and Beyonds. So I'd like to ask you about if you could give us a brief highlight of the day, like how was your day today?
Yeah, today, in fact, as expected, it was very busy day for us. Today is Thursday, and Thursday is off day in Pune. So we were expecting lot of visitors coming from Pune, and we could meet all our targeted customers. Targeted visitors have came to our stall, and there were very good discussion. A lot of interest has been shown by all the community member from tooling side on our smart die solution and the large type of toolings what we have actually recently developed. So those samples are here, and I'm very happy that basic OEM, I would say large size OEMs from Pune, like from Volkswagen, Skoda Volkswagen team was here, Mahindra team was here, Bajaj team was here, and some large die caster like Endurance. And they all were very happy. We were very happy to receive them here, and it was really a good day. What we thought, and it is as per our expectation. It is gone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. We really wish you very good luck for your next upcoming 2 days. And it was really good to hear, that all your targeted customer was today here at your stall.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, as we are finishing up with the day 2 here at TAGMA, Die Mould, here are some visitors with me, and we'd like to ask, so what is the name?
I am Rakesh Gag from Oscar Freck GmbH.
So, how was your day today?
Good, exciting day. We could meet many of our suppliers and also customers at the TAGMA Die Mould Exhibition. Got a very good response from the die casting industry. And it was quite exciting to see what the die making industry is doing new in India. And we could also meet many new players who are coming into die making, mold making. Many small MSMEs are investing in the mold making businesses, right from plastic mold, die casting to special purpose machines. So we see that India is moving. So it was an exciting day to find out many new businesses here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, your name?
Hi, my name is Rohan Dagaukar.
Yeah. How was your day, sir?
It was excellent.
So, did you find any more exciting machines which you had come here for?
Yeah, absolutely. There are so many OEMs available here, and found it very well actually.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir,
Hi.
what is your name?
My name is Amit Kumar and I'm from Poonawalla FinCorp.
Right. So, how was your day? How did you find the day 2 of TAGMA and Die Mold?
TAGMA is always a good opportunity to meet the people who are into manufacturing of dies and molds. So we met couple of OEMs, a few new players are also here. So basically, I got to know that we have plenty of opportunity now. People are either loaded or overloaded with the workload. So people are booking the machines. New technology has arrived. So good opportunity for India, and best of luck for us. It will impact our GDP also. So we are hoping best.
Very best of luck to you, sir. And I really hope when we look at these technologies, people like you could support this, these innovators.
We have also come with customized products for machinery SME customers. So we have increased our limit of the amount up to 10 crores for the first transaction. So very few NBFCs are there in India जो इतना बड़ा exposure लेते हैं. So we are giving that also, and tenure and the customized product as per the requirement of the SMEs. We are changing ourselves. So we have come to help the SMEs, not to earn from the SMEs.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Wish you very best luck.
Thank you.
With this, we are going to end day 2 here at TAGMA Die and Mold 2024. And stay tuned with us for more exciting stories and more exciting videos, which is going to come out soon. Thank you so much.